Keep the flow steady, no overfill.
Got it! Smooth and clean.
Hydraulics flowing smooth today.
Stable pressure, no leakage. Stay left. Avoid that ditch.
Copy that. Adjusting tracks. Come on, grip, grip!
More power. Steady throttle.
Right here. Keep the trench straight.
Locked on target.
That's a solid scoop.
Good lift. Keep it steady.
Perfect spot. Drop it in.
Here comes the load.
Need at least 2 more buckets.
Roger that. Loading again. One more should top it off.
You'll get a full load.
Lock tight. Time to haul it. Rolling out. I'll clear your path.
Keeping low gear, heavy load today.
Follow my tracks. Road's clear. Take it out. Hauling it now. Feels solid, pushing forward. Oh! Keep those gears steady!
Fresh spot. Let's cut it clean.
Cut it from the side. Don't fight it head on. Now we can dig deeper clean. Keep the wet stuff away from the base.
Smart move. That'll save us trouble later.
Always dig dry. Dig clean. Depth is right on target. Solid base.
Good. No rework needed.
Send the truck back. We're ready for round 2. Back a little more. Hold it there. Aligned and ready. Faster than before. Smooth rhythm. Keep the bed level. Lock tight. Load won't spill. You're clear to roll.
Clean cut. Next cycle begins. Expose the edge, then we can break it clean. Rocks out. Rocks out. Digging stays smooth. Width looks good. We're matching the plan.
Depth still perfect. Keep it steady like this.
Smooth and consistent. Got it. Let's clean it up and boost the power settings.
Give it the muscle it deserves. High power engaged.
Now it'll bite harder than ever. Good torque? Give it a bit more throttle when you dig. I'll let it rip. That's the kind of bite we needed. Let's chew through the rest. Swing left, straight to the truck.
On it! Heavy load coming up.
Rock loaded, heading out. Haul it and clear the site. 10 crates ready. Handle them carefully. Those veggies bruise easy. I'll lift them soft, not squash them. Slow lift. They're packed tight but fragile. Copy. Gentle lift it is. Straight out to the yard, we'll stack them by the truck.
Rolling out.
Align center, fork straight, not tilted.
Straight as a ruler.
Perfect. You didn't shake a leaf inside. Smooth moves only. Next one's tighter hat. Don't scrape those top boxes.
Precision mode, coming in.
Raise it more. Path outside is bumpier.
I'll give it just enough clearance.
Strap it tight again. No topples today. Locked in. Ready for the high shelf.
Closer, slow and straight. Holding steady.
Just clear the railing. No scratches. Clean lift. Coming in. Those veggies are heading to new homes. Fresh food never waits. Mission complete. Dinner time at last. Time to fix that red beauty today. Hope she starts without trouble today. There she is, the finest tractor in town. Let's check before we turn on. Come on. Almost there. She's alive. She told you she'd run. Lock tight. She won't come loose. Ready? Let's roll. Off we go. Oh! Let's fix some trouble. Stop when the line hits max. Smooth new life coming in. Keep it at 32 psi. No more, no less.
Holding steady, 32 exact.
Everything's tightened and clear.
Let's wake this beast!
Raise it a bit, let it breathe.
Steady, slow increase.
Smooth climb, no shaking. Perfect burn, fuel's right on point.
Ready for a field test?
Let us put this muscle to work.
Good tension, no slip or bend. Feels balanced from here. Perfect depth, she's ready for full pass. Then let's plow the whole field.